In the fast-paced world of healthcare, innovation is key. Medical devices play a crucial role in advancing patient outcomes and medical science. Contract manufacturing of medical devices requires specialized expertise, advanced technologies, and streamlined processes that are essential for turning innovative ideas into reality. At Cadence, we partner with the world's leading MedTech and pharmaceutical companies to bring their visions to life with precision and efficiency. Our comprehensive services cover every aspect of the manufacturing process, from initial DFM to process development and prototyping to final assembly and delivery. This end-to-end approach ensures that our partners receive high-quality products that meet rigorous industry standards and regulatory requirements. By partnering with Cadence, medical device companies gain access to our deep expertise and state-of-the-art technologies. Our team of experienced engineers and technicians brings unparalleled knowledge and skill to every project, ensuring that even the most complex designs are executed flawlessly. Contract manufacturing significantly reduces costs and accelerates time to market. Our vertically integrated manufacturing processes and economies of scale allow us to produce high-quality devices efficiently, helping our partners save on production costs and get their products to market faster. Navigating the regulatory landscape is a critical aspect of medical device manufacturing. At Cadence, we have a robust quality management system in place to ensure that every product that we ship meets demands of the regulatory environment. Our rigorous testing and validation processes provide peace of mind to our partners, knowing that their devices are safe and reliable. One of the greatest advantages of contract manufacturing is scalability. Whether our partners need small batches for clinical trials or large-scale production for market launch, we have the capability to scale our operations to meet their needs. Our flexible manufacturing setups allow us to adapt quickly to changing demands, ensuring timely delivery of products. By outsourcing manufacturing to Cadence, our partners can focus on what they do best, innovating and advancing medical science. We handle the complexities of production, allowing them to dedicate more resources to research, development, and commercialization of new technologies. The impact of our work is seen in hospitals and clinics around the world. Every device we manufacture has the potential to save lives and advance patient outcomes. This is the true measure of our success, the trust placed in us by our partners and the lives touched by the products we help bring to market. At Cadence, we are a trusted partner dedicated to making a difference in healthcare. Together with our partners, we can bring groundbreaking medical devices to market and create a healthier future for all.